Hi guys, and today I was playing Please Donate. So if you can see I'm going to find a booth and yeah, we're going to pause. I don't know if you guys know this, but it's not actually my first time playing Please Donate, and please just ignore the background noise. It's my brother Benefits Films. So if you can see us trying to turn it to edit.
Okay, phone's not there. A belly covers my thing.
Spoiler alert, no one donated me. And then I was trying to get out of here. And it's really hard to press button to do recording. And I have to voice cover this because there's something with my phone and I can't voice cover while I'm recording, only afterwards.
I saw my trick world.
So yeah, I said I am a YouTuber.
Don't know. Do I look like
Please subscribe to. Then I put in my YouTube name. It's Sabira. Very professional and ethical. And then yeah, it's suddenly hard. It's Sabira. And I was like using me being like a YouTuber when I'm not actually that famous of a YouTuber. Like I still have like 395 subscribers. And the famous YouTuber is more like 1,000, but
Tiny Booty?
So yeah.
I'm on stage.
I didn't know who this girl was. Like, she came up to me. She was like, "Hi, Violet." And I was like, "Hi." I thought she was a subscriber. It's so embarrassing. She isn't. That is so embarrassing. I thought she was. But I didn't ask her.
Guys, my curse was very small. Then now it's very big. I can't even.
Couldn't you? You asked me. I was ready. What did I say? My cough. So look, yeah. So she lives in UK, and I don't know if UK is in the war. But she said that she was in a war. Like I don't know if she really was. But she said her cat died, her mom died, her dad died, and her sister died, and her brother died. But I'm not the person who can like. I don't love it because I don't know if it's real or not. So what? I was like, oh, because she didn't know if she wanted to like or a signature. Because I didn't know if she was a subscriber or if she was gonna donate to me or. Guys, I don't think I'm gonna voice cover this full 17 minutes and 11 seconds. Because like the rest of the time would be in silence. Because I'll stop voice covering. I'm sorry, guys. So, oh, and please like and subscribe. Something fun up on my short videos. It's saying I can't comment. Or it's saying people can't comment. And there's no dislike button. That's weird. No comments can be off, but why is there no dislike button? Because people can't say if they don't like my videos and they can't dislike. And obviously, people have their own opinion. So like, they can have opinion. They can have their own opinion. I can have my own opinion. Everyone has a right for an opinion. But some people just get hate for it for like no reason. And if you like K-pop, they get hate for no reason. Like
Guys, if I
like
want to say
one man just got hate for eating a strawberry with 2 hands. It's food. Like you could also eat food. You eat a burger with 2 hands. Also, like let her be. Let the K-pop idols be. And Minju from Islet got hate. Wanyan from IVE. So now Minju from Islet got hate for respecting people and coloring them in. So now people are saying she's copying Hyan. Well, obviously, she's just showing respect, and that's so bad. Okay, guys, you are not my therapist, so I'm sorry for complaining to you guys, because you guys probably don't know how that can, yeah. Sorry.
Buran, I understand why you hate constant Zoom.
Oh, and now I don't think you believe me because it says people donated me 20 Robux, but 22 Robux, but I already used it. So I don't know, and it does, and I don't goes gone. And the company takes like 40% away from the Robux you earn from the kind people, yeah. So like you need to get, you would probably want 20 Robux. What? Or 100 Robux, because what you mean that nice people give me Robux and then you take it away from them. And they lose their Robux because they donate me. And I don't think she put the scar, yeah. What was I? I mean, you guys are not my therapist. I'm sorry. I don't have a therapist. Please donate. I think it's really a lot from the amount of times people say please. I think it's really hilarious of how much times people say please donate. Title. The game's title while using the game. Like, that's really a lot, and I also use it, but I think it's so hilarious because I don't only use like please donate. So please donate kind of means completely different stuff now. Like please donate the game and please donate me. Imagine people just come up to you and then you say please donate. And then they say, yeah, I know that's the game's name, so what you want? That would be hilarious. 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 It would be funny. Okay, stop it, Sabira. Oh my gosh, I want to say 400 subscribers, so please subscribe. You are this. It's not that. Okay, please, sorry guys. I have a name. Let's spell the thing.
I'm not telling for better number.
Oh.
Why? Please. Okay.
That's my sister. She's like obsessed with 6 7. 6 7 6 7. Okay, stop, Sabira. Stop. It's obviously not my spot, so like
Guys, I'm solo.
I wish I could go Nickel, but I gave one of my lost Robux to girl, and then someone donated me one Robux, and then they like before the stuff made your own game pass for you, like they're like you have your own game pass, but then on it says completely different things, and it says then my loss was one because who would donate me 10 Robux. Wow.
You can come in club.
And I was like obsessed with. I just wanted to get it over, guys. So I wanted to get it over. So I see whoever donates me 100 Robux, I would shout out them. But I'm not really a famous YouTuber, so like I won't really get shouted out. So I also have to put my name in there. But Roblox made it hashtag.
What?
Ha! Okay.
Blackout plus zero.
And guys, if the comments are not off, I don't know how to do this legit. So stuff I just sometimes sometimes. But if the comments are not off, say please say what's your favorite Roblox game? If you can, I don't know if it's gonna take it down. It's a takedown. I'll take it down. Like what? Take down. I'll take you out. Stuff.
I'm going mentally.
Please just ignore the voice in the background again. Sorry, can you keep quiet? Sorry, guys. And also, if they come to lot of comment about Roblox game, you guys are need to play. I play my movie already, and I got a couple of movies, but I never recorded them. I never recorded me making them or watching it, but the latest movie or video, if you can call that a movie. So I made was like today. It was called Don't Steal. So it was like a diamond, and then they say like probably something like you want this, but you can't get this because you're broke or like something like that, whatever. And then you need to get a job, else if you steal you go to jail. So then you take so the fun girl takes application papers to McDonald's because she didn't really have a good degree in college and stuff. I didn't really put all that in the video, but like so she got hired and they said I got the job. Yeah, I got the job. And then the last part was like you are not rich or something like that. You are not rich. Why are you laughing? I think it's supposed to be you are not rich. Why are you happy? I know, so the mistake after everyone watched it in the cinema. There's only like 4 minutes left, so I wouldn't mind. I really wouldn't mind doing the rest, and I wouldn't be silent. So yeah. Wow, why am I talking about everything in my life so for a while?
I'm gonna join, okay?
Do you guys like it? Okay, stop, Sabira. Stop.
Don't.
Alright, guys, shout out to everyone who played with me. I don't know all your names. There was this girl probably called Emily. I don't know, Uta probably. I know Emily. There was an Emily. There was an Uta or Uta. And Huzaifa, that's the girl who's in UK. Pray for her so she doesn't die. If it's true. And then There was a bunch of KSI, KSA, yeah, I think. But there was a lot more, and I don't know, and I'm sorry that I don't know. And I was reading this because she had a lot of um Robux Robux donated to her. She had like 500, but her goal was 600, and she's AFK. And any offline donations are very okay, or like she's grateful for something like that, yeah. And so I'm not gonna choose to do it. I ask her to donate because she still needs a hundred Robux, and she would probably not donate to me because she would probably say something like, "Oh, sorry." But what am I gonna say? And I don't want it to sound rude or sound like I don't really want it to sound rude. You are this. Bring he sang back to in Hypen. I don't know, but like, it doesn't sit right with me with even. Like, why did he have to change his whole entire name? Like, I just wanted to be sung, or just bring him back to the group. And it was like so sad in the studio. And it was like, and it's so sad, and yeah, I think we're off topic. But I was so begging, just me, not me, just begging, yeah. And no one coming to. Well, in please only you have to go to the people, and then may if you're lucky and people are nice in the world, then they'll probably say yes, where's your proof, and then you have to show them. But then maybe they don't donate. Oh yeah. I'm a tiger protector. I didn't like it when I didn't like I took down the